Who loves homemade meat patties? Let me know. Today I am making a classic version of meat patties that can be found in homes all across Europe and were often served in school cafeterias and summer camps. I remember getting them with mashed potatoes or pasta all the time. We need onion, I also add garlic, then our secret ingredient, it's a bread soaked in milk or water, and ground meat. I'm using ground beef. Before we start mixing the meat, soak the bread in the milk or water and let it soften. Chop or blend the onion and garlic, then mix them with the ground meat. And did you have a favorite meal growing up that still brings back childhood memories? Let me know in the comments. Squeeze the excess liquid from the softened bread, blend or mash it, and add it to the meat mixture. Season with salt and pepper. I also added some coriander. Mix everything well. Do you have a secret ingredient that makes your meat patties special? Now add a little water. Don't be surprised, this helps make the patties extra juicy. Mix well, then place the mixture in the refrigerator for a while so the water can be absorbed. For coating, I am using regular flour. You can also skip the coating altogether or use breadcrumbs instead. Shape the patties into any size you like, coat them lightly in flour, and place them in a preheated frying pan with a little vegetable oil. Cook until nicely browned on both sides. I also like to cover the pan with a lid so the patties cook through evenly inside. You can turn them on their side as well to brown the edges. And that's it, our homemade meat patties are ready. We enjoyed them with mashed potatoes and a simple salad made with tomatoes, cucumbers and onions dressed with oil. What is your favorite side dish to serve with meat patties?